Taste new books. Fiction, nonfiction, mysteries, comics. There are so many kinds of books to enjoy. How do you find a book you love? You have to taste a few. Boys and girls, Read Across America Day is March 2nd. Boys and girls, pause the video while you write your first name, last name, and date at the bottom of your Scholastic News. Give a new book a try. As you read, think about which kinds of books you would like to try. Fiction. Are you looking for a made-up story? Try some fiction. All fiction comes from the author's imagination. Some fiction is about things that could happen in real life, but is still made up. That's called realistic fiction. Other kinds of fiction are about things that couldn't happen in real life. A story might have flying cats, talking dogs, or magic wizards. Fiction can be about anything the author wants. Would you try some fiction? Draw a check if you would. Nonfiction. Maybe you'd like to learn about true things. Take a bite out of a nonfiction book. Nonfiction doesn't come from the author's imagination. All the things you read are facts. Are you interested in oceans, soccer, or horses? You can learn about them all in nonfiction. Are you curious about real people? You might like a kind of nonfiction called a biography. A biography tells about a real person's life. Would you try nonfiction? Draw a check if you would. Mystery. If you like putting together clues, you'll love a mystery. In a mystery, characters have to figure something out. They may need to find something that is lost, like a diamond necklace. They may need to figure out how something happened, like how a window was broken. The characters look for clues. One clue leads to another clue until the mystery is solved. Can you solve the mystery before the characters do? Would you try a mystery? Draw a check if you would. Comics. Do you like to laugh? Give comics a taste. Comics are stories told with both pictures and words. You can tell how characters feel by looking at the pictures. The words that characters say are in shapes called speech bubbles. Comics can be funny. They can be serious too. Many comics are about superheroes. Comics are sometimes called graphic novels. Would you try some comics? Draw a check if you would. Book soup. Look at the bowls of alphabet soup. Each one has the name of one kind of book, but the letters are all mixed up. Can you unscramble the letters and write the word? So you're going to take the letters N-C-F-I-T-I-O-N, rearrange them, and it's going to spell one of the kinds of book. Same with S-C-M-I-C-O Stmeryyy, Onfcitnoni. So your four choices are fiction, nonfiction, mystery, and comics. My hint to you is look at the letters that are in the bowl of soup, and then look at the letters that are in each one of these. For example, this first bowl of soup has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. 2 are I's. So if I go here to nonfiction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters, 10 letters, excuse me, that is too many letters, so it cannot be nonfiction, even though it has 2 I's. So I would have to try something else. Like, let's try comics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one only has 6 letters and only has 1 I. Okay, so keep going until you figure out which one of these this first bowl of soup is, and then move on to the next. Good luck.
How would you like to take a trip to the rainforest? Meet a dancing giraffe and fly high with a superhero. And one afternoon, you can do it by reading all kinds of books. With so many kinds of books out there, there's something for everyone. Do you like stories that are made up? Then you can read fiction. A fiction story comes from the author's imagination. Anything can happen in it. There could be a flying car, friendly monsters, or a mouse that dances. Fiction often has pictures, called illustrations. It's also fun to read about true things. When you want to learn facts, read nonfiction. No matter what you're interested in, nonfiction can help you learn about it. Let's say you're curious about spiders. Now, take a look at this book. Wow. Did you know that most spiders have 8 eyes? And look at that. It's a picture of a real spider. Many nonfiction books have photos. Some people like to look for hidden clues while they read. Does that sound like fun? Then you should read a mystery. In many mysteries, a detective is trying to find answers to something that is hard to figure out. Like, why is there green slime on the front porch? Or, who stole the diamonds from the museum? Those are mysteries. How? No. This is a comic. Sometimes comics are about superheroes. A lot of comics are funny. How do you know if you're reading a comic? Some comics have panels. These are boxes. Pictures and words go inside these boxes. Usually, there are speech bubbles too. Speech bubbles show you which character is talking. So now you know about 4 kinds of books you can read. Pretty good, right? Well, hang on. That's just the beginning. Do you like stories with magical fairies and talking toads? Read a fairy tale. How about a book that tells the story of a real person, like an astronaut